Hello students, now very most important topic, non-metal oxides, hydrolysis of non-metal oxide or acidic oxides. Hydrolysis of non-metal oxides or acidic oxides. Generally acidic oxides are dissolved in water to give oxo acid or oxy acid. Acidic oxides are non-metal oxide. Acidic oxides are dissolved in water to form oxo acids or oxy acids. Oxo acids are oxy acids or oxo acids. Now take the example when boron trioxide B2O3, when B2O3 dissolve in water, when B2O3 dissolve in water to form boric acid H3BO3, boric acid, 2 moles of boric acid. It is also very most important student. B2O3 dissolve in water to form orthoboric acid or boric acid. So 2 3 is 6 hydrogen. So here 3 moles of water molecule. Here total 6 oxygens are there here. 3 oxygen here, 3 oxygen here. Total 6 are 2 3 is 6. This is the balancing reaction. So B2O3 dissolve in water to form boric acid. Another one is when carbon, that is boric acid, that is orthoboric acid or boric acid, B2O3, that is third group element. Boron belongs to third group elements. This is orthoboric acid or oxo acid. And when carbon dioxide dissolve in water, CO2 dissolve in water to form carbonic acid, that is H2CO3. Simple, that is CO2 dissolve in water. Write the combination H2 C. Here total oxygens, 2 oxygen from here, 1 oxygen here. So H2CO, that is carbonic acid. It is called carbonic acid. When carbon dioxide dissolve in water to form carbonic acid, H2CO3. And another one is N2O5. N2O5 dissolve in water. This nitrogen belongs to fifth group element. So this N2O5 dissolve in water. N2O5 dissolve in water. N2O5 dissolve in water to form nitric acid. That is write the combination. Here hydrogen, 2 hydrogens are there, that is H2. Here 2 nitrogens are there, N2. Here 5 oxygen from here, 1 oxygen from here. So total 6 oxygens are there, H2N2O6. H2N2O6. What is the average reaction? That is average HNO3. Average is, write the average, that is in H2N2O6. What is the average reaction? HNO3. Here how many moles of, here 2 moles of HNO3. What is the correct equation? N2O5 dissolve in water to gives 2 HNO3. It is the correct equation. That is simple trick. That is how to write, that is how to write hydrolysis means simple. Here 2 hydrogens are there, H2, nitrogen, 2 nitrogens are there, N2. Here 5 oxygen, here also 1 oxygen. Total 6 oxygen, H2N2O6. Write the average reaction, that is HNO3. Here take the 2 moles of HNO3. When N2O5 dissolve in water to form 2 moles of nitric acid. This is the correct equation. 2 moles of HNO3. And SO3 dissolve in water. What happened? That is here H2. Write the H2. Here sulfur, only one sulfur is there, S. Here total oxygens, 3 oxygen here, 1 oxygen here. That is H2SO4. That is the SO3 dissolve in water to form H2SO4. This is called sulfuric acid. SO3 dissolve in water, sulfur trioxide dissolve in water to form sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Then another one is Cl2O7. Cl2O7, that is 7, chlorine belongs to 17th group elements or 7th group element. Cl2O7 dissolve in water to form, what is, write the equation. Here 2 hydrogens are there, write the H2, here 2 chlorines, Cl2, here Cl2, here 7 oxygens here, 1 oxygen here, the total 8 oxygen, H2Cl2OH, write the average here. Here 2 hydrogens are there, here average 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogens are there, write the average, that is H. Here 2 chlorines are there, Cl, 8 oxygens are there, O4. So average reaction is HClO4. Cl2O7 dissolve in water to form H2Cl2OH. We can write 2 moles of HClO4. Cl2O7 dissolve in water to form 2 moles of perchloric acid. HClO4 is called perchloric acid. HClO4 is called perchloric acid. So Cl2O7 dissolve in water to form 2 moles of perchloric acid. And another one is very most important, that is N2O4. N2O4 dissolve in water to form, what is the equation? That is N2O4. Here 2 hydrogens are there, that is H2, N2. Here total number of oxygen, 4 oxygens here, 1 oxygen from here. So total 5 oxygens are H2N2O5. H2N2O5. We can write the average, that is one is HNO2 plus another one is HNO3. We can write it is balanced. Total H2N2O5, H2N2O5, 1 mole of HNO2, 1 mole of HNO3. This total here, total it is equal to H2N2O5. This average reaction is 1 mole of HNO2 and 1 mole of HNO3. One is nitrous acid, another one is nitric acid. So when N2O4 dissolve in water, N2O4 dissolve in water to give two different oxo acid, that is one is HNO2 nitrous acid, another one is nitric acid HNO3. These are the important non-metal oxides, important non-metal oxide. N2O4 is very most important student. N2O4 is the mixed anhydride. N2O4 is the anhydride of anhydride of HNO2 and HNO3. It is very most important student. N2O4 is the mixed anhydride. N2O4 is the mixed anhydride of HNO2 and HNO3. What is the anhydride of HNO3 and HNO2? That means N2O4. N2O4 is the mixed anhydride of HNO2 and HNO3. It is also very most important students. And another one equation, when Cl2O6 dissolve in water, Cl2O6 dissolve in water, write the equation, write the mixed combining, write the equation, that is H2Cl2O7. We can write this equation, Cl2O6 plus water to form what happens, that is H2Cl2O7. H2Cl2O7 we can write average reaction, that is one is HClO3 plus another one is HClO4. It is balanced. See, one is HClO3, another one is HClO4. HClO3 and HClO4. Total number of hydrogens here, 2 hydrogens are there, 2 chlorines are there, 7 oxygens are there. So here 1 hydrogen, 1 chlorine, 3 oxygen. Here also 1 hydrogen, 1 chlorine, 4 oxygen. Total 7 oxygens are the mixed hydride. Cl2O6 is the mixed anhydride of HClO3 and HClO4. It is also very most important student. So when Cl2O6 dissolve in water to give, one is chloric acid, another one is perchloric acid. HClO3 is called chloric acid, HClO3 is called chloric acid, another one is HClO4 is called perchloric acid. Cl2O6 is the mixed anhydride of HClO3 and HClO4. This is also very most important student. Next, another one is when CrO3, I am writing here, CrO3 dissolve in water, it gives H2, whatever, that is H2CrO4. CrO3 dissolve in water to form H2CrO4. It is the CrO3 is chromium belongs to D block element. CrO3 dissolve in water to form H2CrO4, that is chromic acid. Next one, and Mn2O7 dissolve in water to form H2Mn2O8. H2Mn2O8. Mn2O7 dissolve in water to form H2Mn2O8. We can write average 2HMN, 2HMnO4. This is the overall reaction, that is 2HMnO4. These are the important non-metal oxides or acidic oxide. Non-metal oxides are dissolve in water to form oxo acid or oxy acid. So Mn2O7 dissolve in water, write the H2Mn2O8. Here 2 manganese are there, 2 manganese, 2 hydrogens are there, 2 hydrogens, H2Mn2O8. So we can write average reaction 2HMnO4. This is the very most important non-metal oxides. These are the acidic oxides. Thank you students. If you like my video, please like and share and comment, and thank you. These are the non-metal oxides or acidic oxides.